Interpreting the technical specifications for the KEB 09.F5.C1B-3A0A. It has an input of 50/60 Hz. It has a power rating of 2.8 kVA. It has an EMC class of C1. It operates on 3-phase power. It has a housing size of B. It has an IP rating of 20. It has a storage temperature range of -25 to 70 Celsius. It has an operational temperature range of -10 to 45 Celsius. It has a book-style footprint. It is manufactured by KEB. Thank you for watching. Wake Industrial is your partner in progress for all KEB 09.F5 drive sales and replacements.